Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Gimp tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to deselect in Gimp. This is actually quite simple. First I open Gimp and as we can see I have an active selection here. How do I remove it? I simply click on Select and then on None. And now my selection has been removed. It's actually quite simple, but as a lot of users are looking for this, I wanted to create a short guide. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.